Hello everyone, it's me Cheppy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to create animated GIF without using any third-party app in Windows 11 running computers. So without further delay, let's begin. So here we're gonna use the inbuilt application, that is the snipping tool. So just open the snipping tool and just click on this three dot icons. Click on the settings, just scroll down below. Now kindly check the version number of your snipping tool. So in my case you can see this is the version number. So if you're having a older version number, then kindly update to this version number or higher than that. And after that just select this snip option. Now let me open one program. Click on this new. Now select the area which you want to snip. Click on start. Once you're done, click on this stop recording. Now you can click on this play to preview it, and on type up you will see here GIF. Just click on it. Now select the quality. You can select the low and high quality, so I will just select the high quality. And now click on this export and give a file name. Click on save. So finally we have saved. Now you can close it. Now let us try to open this GIF file. So you can see, so by using this method you can easily create animated GIF without using any third-party app in Windows 11 running computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.